Welcome to Finance Transformation with AI. Transform your finance department using agentic AI. Learn how to identify use cases, build business cases for them, design agentic AI architectures, and deploy them on AWS. Let us learn more in this course. Imagine that you are a finance analyst and your job is to find out the revenue and the profit loss. And if the company is not doing well, find the ways that we can bring that back to in a positive manner. Typically, a finance analyst spends at least 5 to 10 days to understand the data, which is by looking at the business intelligence tools, download the data, massage the data to find out these kind of answers. What if there is a simple solution where an agent, a finance analyst, asks a simple question to an agent and agent answers in a few minutes? And this is exactly the solution that we are building today. Before I could show you anything, let me show you how this works in real time. So I'm going to go to a simple agent and I will ask the question, what is my profit margin? Here we go. So here my profit margin looks like in different entities, and overall the company is going at a negative 15%. So how do I make this positive? And this is how a finance analyst looks at multiple different reports and data to find an answer. And it typically takes 5 to 10 days. But here you will see in a few seconds that you will find some recommendations from the agent because it already did the analysis for us. So here you can see that here are the quick wins that its recommended approach is because it's just 7%. It's asking to take an action on the INEA, and then there are some actions that it's recommending. So in this way, you are able to get the information instantaneously rather than waiting for days. How did this happen? So let's look at the underlying architecture which made this happen. Under the hood, there are 4 different steps happening. The first step is a natural language query where you are asking a question in simple English. And then that is going to hit Bedrock agent. Bedrock agent listens and understands what the question is about, and then it invokes the right tool. It has a bunch of tools, and in this scenario, the tool is a Lambda execution tool, which basically converts an SQL query and connects to your data warehousing product and gets you that answer. And gives that answer back to the Bedrock. And Bedrock uses the context and as well as the answers and some supporting information and provides an answer to the user. That's how an agentic AI works, which understands the natural language, connects to the right tool, and delivers the answer. Okay, who is this for? This is for solution architects, data engineers, or technical program managers who are planning a transformation project in their finance department. And this course expects you to have a AWS core services in how to read and understand architectural diagrams, and a basic experience on infrastructure as a code, some basics of Python programming, and AI coding tools like a Cursor or Anthropic code. What you will get when you are done with this course, you will get a working financial system called an Acme company with a financial systems running where you can play in the testing environment, just like how you saw in the demo. And you can see architectural patterns. You can understand the use case framework, how to build use cases, how to pick and prioritize the right use cases, and build business cases, how to build business cases for each one of them and a template. And you will gain fluency in the financial domain and some production checklist on how to go into the production. This is how a course roadmap looks like. You're right here in a demo stage. In the next few sections, you will learn about financial domain that's good enough to understand the financial world and run some use cases and build a strategy. In section 3, we will learn a strategy on how to identify use cases and build business cases and some templates on how to do that. Section 4 is the data layer. This is the foundation for any AI. AI solution is we understand how a data flows from multiple different systems in a financial world and how we're going to organize it. Fifth, we will build a design for agentic architecture. And then sixth is we will build Bedrock and Lambda tools, which are the core and the brain of the solution. And then we will deploy into a production by using AWS Bedrock Agent Core and using the memory tools available. And then at the end, we're going to end with how the end solution looks like with demos and testing of the solution. This typically takes around 5 hours of study and some build time. So get ready to learn about transformation. Okay, let's do a recap. You have seen a demo, and with the 2 real financial questions with no SQL, no dashboards, just the answer. And you have seen how under the hood solution looks like. And what is this, or who is this course for?